of 6th class from RK International School, and today we are here to explain the life cycle of mosquito, some diseases spread by it, and the methods of prevention. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of mosquito. So, the first stage is egg.
Hi, I am a mosquito egg. Female mosquito lays hundreds of us in stagnant water like old buckets, flower pots and coolers. We float on the surface like small rafts.
After 1-2 days, these eggs hatch into larvae.
Hey, I'm Lara and all the boys are piglets and who will the water like fish. I eat tiny germs and I eat grow strong.
Larva lives in water and breathe air through tiny tubes. After a few days, they change into pupa.
I am pupa. I don't eat anything. Do you know why I don't eat anything? Because inside my shell I am converting into an adult person.
Pupa stage lasts about 2-3 days. After that, a new mosquito is born.
Yeah, I can Clara. I'm free. I'm a male mosquito and I drink flower nectar only and I don't harm anyone. I'm very innocent.
I am also free. I can fly now. I am a female mosquito. I drink people's blood because I need blood to lay eggs, and I am very dangerous.
When female mosquito bite humans, it can spread diseases like dengue, malaria,